1, 2. Teka lang, wala pa. Go! Ay! Ay! Oh, wag! Ay! Dapat ganon. Yan! Oh, yes! Yes! Tapos hihiga ka sa kama. Ayan na. Wow! Teka lang, ang sabi ko first time nila, di ba? Dapat ganun talaga ang first time. Teka lang, relax ka siguro.
Ellen Adarna at Derek Ramsey agaw atensyon sa kasal ni Rico Adarna, kapatid ni Ellen. Kahapon Linggo February 4 ikinasal na ang kapatid na lalaki ni Ellen na si Teodorico, o Rico Adarna kay Luis Baquero. Si Luis ay kaibigan ni Ellen. Isang engranding wedding ang naganap sa Temple of Laya na pagmamay-ari ng pamilya Adarna sa Cebu. Ringbearer naman ang anak ni Ellen na si Elias. Panoorin ang ilan sa mga larawan at bidyong na ibahagi.
Very good. Yes. Inhale, exhale. Very good.
Wives, submit yourselves to your own husbands as you do to the Lord. For the husband
I promise to be faithful.
I promise to be faithful.
Placing you as a seal.
Placing you as a seal over my life.
Find keep him in sickness and in health. And forsaking all others, keep yourself only to him, for so long as you both shall live.
I do.
Setting. Mega matter.
You now, please. Go.
Cheers, everyone! Kung anong dapat gawin ni Rico. So the husband, you should perform. Okay, I know you're prepared to give you enough time. Make it as natural as possible. Are you ready? I know you're born ready. Eto na. Ready? 1, 2. Teka lang, wala pa. Go! Ay! Ay! Oh, wow! Ay! Dapat ganon! Takiyan! Oh, yes! Yes! Tapos higa ka sa kama! Ay, wow! Teka lang, ang sabi ko, first time nila, di ba? Dapat ganun talaga ang first time. Teka lang, relax kasi siguro muna tayo. So, the rule of the game, kung sino... A big round of applause, make some noise! Group hug, group hug!
May lingay mo nag-dimsumang ka. Bargari ko Manila.
Wait, ganan mo! Wait! Mag-video sa akong artista ha! Artista! Go!